landing in Oslo, Norway. Everything seems pretty expensive, except wine. Wine prices for a Singaporean, it's pretty cheap. Luckily, in Norway, there's this dumpling area, which is reasonably cheap, so I can probably cook it at the hostel. It's an Asian food mart. Yay! Found the hostel. Here we are. I am here at the hostel. Someone is showering. Look, you get your own stove and everything in the room. It's actually pretty neat. 4 to a room, and this is my bed. There's a really nice view. Oh my gosh, the Star Wars Battle Pod is here! And they have this cool game. I don't know how to play it, but it's pretty cool. Crazy taxi. Time prices too. So many right down here in Outrun as well. Love it. So this is actually very perfect. I don't know why people complain so much about the cold. It's 0 degrees right now, but it's so beautiful. Look at the snow. I'm snug warm in a jacket, and I am in Norway listening to Frozen on my ears. What could be more perfect? Hello! Hey! Look at this bridge! Epic! Costumes at the opera! Outside the Norway opera house, and it's very reflective, but this is all the work they put into wigs, and we saw also costume earlier, and mask work, you know, stuff like this, prosthetics. The view here is pretty spectacular. They're fixing up this area, so like, you know, I'll come up in a bit, but here's the view. Gorgeous. This is totally slippery stuff to get up here to this roof, but the view is well worth it. Oh, I nearly slipped. Trying to zoom in over there on the mountain. So gorgeous, isn't it? Wait, what? Is that a sauna? Really? Wow. At the Oslo Visitor Center at Oslo Central, you can look up events and get help at the help desk. The most famous street in Norway, the Karl Johans Gate. So we're gonna walk right down here to the palace, to the National Theater, and all that. Inside of the National Theater. I love the feel of this place. The Royal Palace. The Royal Palace of Norway. It's very cool. I love the sound of this. It's very trebly. I don't know if you can quite hear it, but it's so nice. Then it gets slippery. Oh. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. It's so foggy. It's so beautiful. So frozen. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. So now we're all geared up.
We found it quite slopey.
Alright, so we've found our pit stop and we're gonna put on our gear. Here's Laura.
Hello.
And there is
Carson.
That's right.
You'll remember by the end of the day.
Yep.
He's lit.
They laying bricks. That was our job.
I am
We'd pave the
dead.
driveways with bricks. Yeah.
And I'm feeling my age. I don't know where we're like halfway. I can't even talk properly. These guys though are trooping along very nicely.
It's going okay.
I just need a horse back. That's it. So there's Carson and Laura trekking up the hill. It's harder to trek up the hill. I can't even talk properly. I have given up basically the walk of shame. I'm just gonna drag my skis and yeah. Well done.